Let's talk about the markets here for the first time in the last few days anyway, actually getting a fairly decent rally. Now, when we look back here at January, what we saw was this initial decline, a rally to a lower high, and then a retest of the lows before the market was actually able to get its footing back underneath it and start to make advances in March, April, May of this year. Fast forward to where we are currently, you see the same thing here, a big decline, a rally, and then of course markets have declined here recently, trying to find a bottom here. We're going to see if today's bottom can actually hold or not. But the difference between today and earlier this year is watch this 50-day moving average and the 200-day. The market is trading decidedly below the 200-day moving average. This rally, if it continues tomorrow, is going to run right into the bottom of that moving average at about 2750 on the S&P 500. So a failure at that point is going to continue to keep pressure to the downside. If you've been trapped into positions looking for an opportunity to sell some, raise some cash, reduce some risk, a rally back up here to about 2750 on the S&P 500, likely going to be a decent opportunity to do that. Watch what's going on with bonds here. Despite the fact that the markets have been under a lot of pressure, we're starting to see bonds actually starting to make a turn up here. We're starting to see some rotation into safety. That's the one thing we've really been looking for here as of late, is watching what's happening with bonds. That's kind of more of a telltale signal about what's happening with the markets and the risk there. Next week is Thanksgiving, very light trading week. Don't be surprised if we see this market try to rally into Thanksgiving. It's something that happens traditionally as we get into Thanksgiving week. All the inmates are running the asylum at that point as most of the traders are out. So look for a light trading week next week, a little bit of volatility. Coming back from Thanksgiving, that's going to be our best opportunity to get a clear focus on what the market's going to do between now and the end of the year.
Got a question for Lance later? Ask now at realinvestmentadvice.com.